Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will talk about tag. Now friends, how to run the tags, how to execute things is something which is little different when it comes to Eclipse and when it comes to IntelliJ. This is the reason why we will check IntelliJ and Eclipse both for this particular video. So starting with Eclipse, let us start with the tags. Alright, so for example, in here we have like couple of methods inside this method, right? Like before all, after all, before each, and after each. Let me get rid of couple of methods real quick. Here we go. And now, for example, there are 4 methods, right? There are like 4 methods and we wish to run only 2 methods. So how we will do it? The easiest way is adding the tags. So in here we will make use of the annotation tag. Here we go, and we will give the name, and the name could be anything. We will give the name as run it, and we will copy this tag and we will also add the tag to the sub method. Now for example, we try to run this particular class as a JUnit test, then what would be the outcome? Here is our JUnit result, and indeed all the methods got executed. There is no change in fact. So definitely using these tags, it is not working as expected. Is it so? No, indeed. These tags can be used, and we can mark these 2 methods to run only, and in order to do that we need to configure things a little. So simply highlight the project, navigate to run as, and in here click on run configuration. So as soon as we do this, run configuration will open up. There are like JUnit instances, we will close those, but in here the most important part is, in here there are like couple of things. One of the configuration is include or exclude tags, right? So this is interesting. Let me click on configure, and now in here we can include or exclude methods with the exact tags. In fact, the tags could be also to the class level, and we can again exclude the entire class or include the entire class for test. For example, in here we simply include the tags, and the tag is run it. That's it. We will click on OK, and we apply the changes, and now we try to run. Then in this case we will be able to see that only 2 methods are getting executed, and these methods test add and test sub are methods with tags. Alright, so the methods with tag run it got executed, which is perfect. Now friends, these tag could be in some different class again, so again that is feasible. Moreover, the tags can be added directly to the class level again, as I have already specified, right? So everything is possible. Moreover, let me also show you the configuration once again. In here, if I navigate to run as test configuration, run configuration, and in here if I show you the include tag and exclude tag, it says include tags and exclude tags. So we can add a list, right? So we can like for example test tag, we can add numerous tags in here, right? And simultaneously we can also add like exclude tags. So as the name suggests, if we place the tag into the exclude tag section, the methods, the tests which have the tag in the exclude tag section will be excluded while we will run those using Eclipse. And now how to like make use of tag into IntelliJ, let us check it quickly. So in here, let me close this, and we have IntelliJ with us. Now friends, I have definitely made some changes. The change is the appearance wise. I have updated the theme. The theme is now IntelliJ, rather the Dracula theme which I was earlier using, the black one. I prefer this white color, so we will go with this one as of now, and this is also similar to Eclipse. Alright, so now we have like a couple of test cases which we already created, And I have also added the tags in here, so we have everything set. Now friends, when it comes to IntelliJ, I believe that IntelliJ is definitely a superior IDE, and it gives us couple of options which is definitely interesting. For example, in here we can like run the test directly from here, and it also gives us the control. We can either run all the tests from this class, or we can for example, in here we would be able to see all the tests. Rather, we can individually test only one method like this. So this is possible in IntelliJ, and this is definitely a very handy thing to do. But for example, we wish to like make use of tags. Again, that is possible. In order to do that, we will simply configure the run case. So in here we have this option. We will simply edit the configuration, and in here test kind, it's a drop down, and one of the kind is tags. And using this expression we can like add a list. We can add numerous or multiple list in here. That is again possible, and in our case the name is run it, right? So it would be like run it, if I am not mistaken. Here is the tag. All right, so we will run the run it tags only. Let me run this. Here we go. So this will run only the test with tag run it. We can easily make out that only the test sub and test add method got executed, and definitely it skipped the remaining test methods, which is test multiply and test divide. Alright, so this is cool. Now friends, definitely when it comes to tags, the IDEs will only skip the test based methods where we have the test annotation. It won't skip the methods where we have annotation other than test. So take a note of it. So these four methods will get executed along with these two methods, test add and test sub, but only the method test multiply and test divide will be skipped, because these two methods are test method and these four methods are not. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope I have made myself clear. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.